Say what's up, boys.
Hey, what's good?
Yo, buddy. Yeah, the vlog, dog.
Hey, boys. Let's go. Yo, lit. Of course, dude. Let's go. Pre-game into the club. Let's get
but I can send these nights alone, and I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby you're the boss at home. You gotta work, but you gotta put it work. You don't gotta go to work. Let my body do the work. We can work tomorrow. We can work tomorrow.
literally one of the best parts.
Put it in motion. I'ma give you a promotion.
My gummy teeth into the strip. But gummy teeth are the best. Gummy teeth are the best, period. Go get you some gummy teeth. They're the best shit ever.
You're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go work, but you gotta put in work. You don't gotta go to work. Let my body do the work. We can work tomorrow. We can work tomorrow. We can work tomorrow. We can work tomorrow. Yeah, we can work tomorrow.
Jimmy, you ready, bro? You ready? Y'all ready?
Send your fries!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children with fake IDs.
What up?
Hey, you,
Welcome to
let's go.
City of
You're right.
Frogs, where we get
You,
crazy
let's
and
go.
fucking stupid. Take a look at the fucking crowd.
I need a guy with a small dick.
Now I'm gonna show you guys the dance.
Right there? Let's go.
It's the fucking screechy motherfuckers. Fuck 'em.
Now, take your clothes off. That's a no-no. Oh yeah, Julius. Let me get up here, please. Sounds right. Alright? Rule number 2. We don't care if it's your best friend, your brother, your sister,
What is going on YouTube? Alfonso Carbo here, back on another video, and this is a different video. We're in Bahamas, bro. 29. What is this kid doing?
No, you gotta put your feet out. No, go from this way.
What the hell are these clowns doing, bro?
No, no, it's like this, it's like this, like this, like this. It's like this.
Bro, what are these people?
No, that's oh fuck, I can't do it.
We're going to the club tonight at 9:30? What's it called?
9:45.
9:45. Senior Frog. Senior Frog. Tuesday is gonna be the most lit thing ever. I have my own snorkel shit and my own GoPro. It's gonna be, what is it, a pink coral reef?
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a cruise to a pink coral reef and start snorkeling. That's gonna be lit. I'm gonna have the GoPro footage for that. What are we doing right now? Get ready for
Gotta
that.
go pre-game for the club.
But y'all are gonna go pre-game for the club.
Y'all gonna come through?
I'm gonna come with. I'll come with you. We gotta change to what? Red light, stop light.
I'm red light. You're red light. You're red light. You're
Bud Light. I need to
What's with the pom pom?
I need to twist this
What is
song.
that?
What do you mean the pom pom? The mic?
that for-
The mic?
Yeah, is that for vocal? Where's your
No,
fucking
it's
flash,
wind,
bro?
It's a wind
Can
reduction.
they see me?
I took off the thing.
In the club, you're gonna need the flash.
I don't have flash. There's no flash on this camera.
Oh.
I just have the mic attached to it. You can buy
When you
a flash.
flash, you don't
thanks
see.
for fucking using all our toilet paper, dickhead.
I didn't.
No way you use all of our toilet
There's a full
paper.
roll right on the sink, dude.
Okay. I looked at the little rolly part. You know what I'm
No,
talking
Dom used that and I just like filled
about?
it
Yeah.
up.
Okay. Come on.
No fucking way, dog.